All right, everybody, I'm excited about this one. This is a question I've had for a while. So what is faster? What is better? A single 6S battery or two 3S batteries? Today, we're going to find out. Even though it's 90 degrees, you know we got to have the good stuff. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Now, let's give a special thanks to the good folks over at Turnigy for providing me the batteries for this test. Now, the way this works is when you run the two 3S packs, the only thing that's going to happen is we're increasing the voltage. So these two 3S packs will be basically 6S, but they'll still be 5,000 milliamp hour and they'll still be 100C. And this is critical for the test. This 6S pack is 6S 100C, 5,000 milliamp hour. So these are exactly the same. The car is going to see them both the same. The only difference is one's going to have an adapter. This one will have an adapter because there's two leads coming off the battery, and of course we only got one battery. And then this one is going to be hooked to both leads. So is there going to be an advantage to using both leads? Is there going to be an advantage to it drawing through two batteries instead of one? Today we will find out. Now, all these batteries here are brand new. They were never run. They came out of the box. They've been fully charged. So this is going to be as good as it gets. So go ahead and get the RC Guy Garage GPS holder here. Guys, look at that. It's a little charred, man. If you missed my my video on the Limitless, check it out. We had a little fire issue. Nothing big. Oh, I'll tell you what, man. Today has just already been a hot freaking mess. The head strap I'm using is a GoPro. I left my Insta360 at home because it's been so hot. I had to let it like dry out from the sweat. So luckily I was able to use a piece off one of my tripods that has the feet that allows me to use a GoPro. I just went for like a walk someplace and I was wearing my bug net. So I forgot the bug nets at home. It was drying out as well. Oh, so now I got these gnats in my ears driving me nuts. Almost wasn't able to record. But yeah, here we go. So like I said, so we have this and then we have the adapter right here. So that's really going to be the only difference. As far as the car is concerned, it's just going to see the same 5,000 milliamp hour 100C pack on both. Whoa, we're not reading anything. What's going on there? Oh, there we go. We got GPS now. We got Bluetooth now, so there we go. All right. Let me know in the comments down below right now, which one do you think will be faster, or do you think it's going to be even? Whoa, the trim is way. Oh, I missed the bug net. I think that gave us plenty of time to test it. $53. Hopefully you all can see that. 53 miles an hour on the single 6S. Whoa. I want to get a feel for like if one feels more powerful than the other. So this is just blowing the tires off. We can't even really wheel it. Let's try to ease into it. No. Wow. Guys, don't forget the great people over at Hobby King. Give you guys, my viewers, 5% off on anything you want to purchase. They have planes, boats, RC cars, motors, ESCs, servos. Granted, you know, not brand name stuff like Hobby Wing or Castle, but they have some stuff that might fit your needs. And wow, you know, they just mowed this grass. The last time I was through, I guess they just mowed right here, but guys, it has been raining so much. I mean, so much. It's been just ridiculous. It's been hard to get out here to do anything. Even today, I only have a small window because it's supposed to rain within about 2 hours. I hate that I forgot my damn bug net. Ugh. Ooh. Man, the brakes come on strong in the air. Wheesh. Serious? Oh my God. Man, how many times have I said it on this channel, when you got a brand new RC, make sure you're checking the wheels because the plastic compresses, and here I am guilty of the same thing, not checking the wheels, but lessons learned through past experiences. I carry all kinds of wheel nuts now. So, that's way too big. I don't know what the hell I'm thinking. Oh, these freaking nets. Oh, I missed my bug net. Oh, fortunately, like I said, through lessons learned, you know, something I was thinking about doing a video, like what's in my tool bag. I think it might help people, especially YouTubers, learn kind of some stuff to bring out there with them. So what do you guys think? What do I carry in the big yellow bag? My big yellow DeWalt bag here. What all's in there? Are you guys interested? This actually looks pretty cool. I like the red wheel nut. I'll tell you one thing I carry is wheel wrenches and some wheel nuts. Oh, all right. Back in action. Yeehaw. Yeah, actually it was that wheel nut that caused that bad jump. It wasn't me. Yeah, see? Told you. Right now I'm just having fun. Yeah, so I guess it's time to switch over to the dual 3S. Yeah, those brakes are a bit strong. I should probably tone them down just a little bit. I am really... Are you freaking kidding me? No, something's going on here. Ain't no friggin' way that wheel fell off twice. And yeah, I never did find the other one because, you know, that's why I put the red one on. And now we have... No, that's unreal. No, that doesn't even make any damn sense. How the hell I can't find a bright red wheel nut? Apparently either Arma, when they assembled this, didn't put it on right, or when that wheel nut worked its way loose, it kind of stripped out the hex in here. That's why it spun loose again. So I don't know, I'm gonna try something here. Put some paper in here and hope for the best. Hopefully it'll take up some of the slack and we don't lose another wheel nut. I don't know, maybe the paper's not a good idea. All right, let's just make sure this is cleared out. All right. And now we got speed. All right, guys. I'll run it till that wheel falls off, and I have a feeling it's going to fall off. I wish you would have done this back when they had that 25% off sale, but I have to order a wheel. I guess they come in pairs, a pair of wheels. So these belted ones usually aren't that cheap. So. Oh man, the gnats are. Let's see. No. We still got an insane amount of power there. $53, so I believe that's the same, isn't it? 53, believe so. So same speed, same thing. So there we go. That answers the question. It's all the same to the car. Yeah, I never did find that other red wheel. And you would think, nice sunny day, red wheel nut, I'd be able to find it. But maybe when they cut the grass, I'll come back. Maybe I'll find it. Oh boy, man, it's hot. It is a hot one. See, I'm pretty sure in my mind here that they were both 53. That seems to be about, I hope I didn't make a mistake, but if I did, oh well, I'll put it somewhere in the title. Or, well, I've already done it, a little subheading up top, but now that being said, what do I prefer? If given the choice to run two 3S's or a 6S, I'd much rather just run the 6S. It's just cleaner. Wow. You know, for the ESC, you don't have two harnesses sticking out. It just takes up less room under the body of the car. And it's just, you know, simpler. Got one battery. Oh, yeah, it's already starting to act up. So before I lose another wheel nut, we'll go ahead and stop here. So, I mean, the main point of the video was what's better, what's faster, a single 6S or two 3S, and we just proved that they're both exactly the same. Man, what a messy day. This GoPro mount hurts. That's why I went with the Insta360 mount, which I can still use with the GoPro, but Insta360 uses a little different mount system, but it can adapt to a GoPro, so that was lucky. Man, what a mess. No head net, wrong head mount, losing wheel nuts. But we had the great people at Hobby King send us these really great batteries for this comparison. Like I said, they give you 5%. I'll leave a link down below where you can get this RC, the batteries, and all that. So, and if you're interested in something else, check out my A-Main tower. And, you know, when you go buy your coffee, getting that good stuff, and you're shopping on Amazon, start at my store, and that helps me out. Well, all right, everyone. I hope you found this informative, entertaining, and please use the links down below, because now I got to buy a tire to get this thing back on the road. Greatly appreciate it. Adds nothing to your cost. Like I said, it helps me out tremendously. If you're going to A-Main and buying something for 15 bucks, just use my homepage. Just set A-Main and TowerNet Horizon. Use my link, set as your homepage, please. And that way when you shop, I get credit for that, and it helps me out to keep the channel running. So, like I said, hope you found it fun and entertaining, and somewhere out here's a pair of nuts. We lost these nuts.
These nuts?
Out here somewhere in the field, so. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. See you next one.